Hi everyone, today we're celebrating here the Super Saturday RBID Tour of Homes here in the city of Monte. Let's check it out.
Think about it. How does it benefit the consumers when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home today, when they hire a real estate agent, the traditional real estate model, all the agents do put a for sale sign in front of the house and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Right? Think about it. If you're selling your home, you hire me. How do you feel if all I do put a for sale sign in front of your house and waiting passively on an hour's open house, kick you out of your own home and waiting for buyers to come in? So that's the reason why at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we redefine that. We change how real estate industry works. So when the consumers, when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, right now in my database, we already have over 45,000 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy, looking to buy homes right now.
Does that mean that they are qualified already with a mortgage? They're able to buy financially? You qualify them, pre-qualify them?
Yes, so when the buyers call in our office, the first thing is our administrative staff team input it into our database. Then our inside sales team check the timing and motivation, and then to book a face-to-face appointment with our buyers, with our outside sales team. Our outside sales team then check pre-qualified, pre-approved, connected with the lenders. In fact, Julie, when you're selling your home, when you receive an offer from our team, the offers that we present to you, the owner of the house, there is no loan contingencies. We do what's called a full loan underwriter's approval to all of our VIP buyers clients. So think about it. So when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, it's as if I've been working for you long before we met.
I love that. Thanks so much for being with me, Rudy. I really appreciate that. And again, give us their phone number and how the people can get a hold of you.
It's a pleasure, Julie. Thank you so much. And once again, Your Home Sold Guaranteed, or I'll buy to discuss the sale of your home. Call Rudy at 626-789-0159 and start packing.
That's great. Thanks again, Rudy, so much. Look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you.
Bye-bye.